Stand up. Your legs don't work. Come on, get up.
Does she have babies?
No, she's just laying on eggs.
Oh.
There's no boy, unless she's been busy with the wild boys. Bow. Bow. Come here. Ma. Ma. So cute. Ma. Oh, too close. So cute. Too close. So cute.
What do they have to do?